Okay, so this is a room tour. It's room 413 in Southampton. It's the Leonardo. I've forgotten the rest of the name. I'll find it you in a minute. It says executive. I think we booked executive. Turn some lights on. So as you come in on the left-hand side, so here you've got wardrobe straight away. So you've got ironing board, hanging space, laundry bag. And you've got a nice kind of big mirroring space there with, I can't really bend up, hairdryer in that drawer. Oh, nothing in that drawer. But it's nice to sit there and take your shoes off and things. More storage up there. Another, oh, so that's not actually a wardrobe, that's just a safe in the bottom. Oh, there is a little rail, sorry. So you could like hang pants and things. And then there's a thing at the bottom there. And then on this side, you've got the full length mirror. And also on the right is the bathroom. Oh, this is quite nice. So you've got a bath, shower head. It's quite spacious. A nice picture there. So they've got the White Company. So you've got conditioning shampoo and shower gel. Got towels there. And then, oh, that's good. If you've forgotten something, you can find a full list of items in our guest directory. Glasses for water. And then you've got hand and body lotion and hand wash there as well. It's really spacious. It's a nice bathroom. Got like a shaving thing there. And then in here, Matilda's moping around. She's moping around because we currently don't have a bed for Matilda. We're a little bit confused. It's a huge bed, but I don't think all three of us are going to sleep in one bed. I don't think it's meant to be like that. So there's a huge bed here with bedside tables. There's a plug and USB there. Notebook and little lamps. It's nice though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like the artwork and things in it. And then there is a television. Sorry, that's just our suitcases, but there's loads of space here. A television here. We're not using all them suitcases for the cruise, by the way, it's just because we've got the ones from France. So then there is a desk area here where there's tea and coffee making facilities. Little biscuits, kettle, an espresso machine, and the little Nespresso coffees are there. And there's a mirror there as well, which is good for like sitting and doing your makeup and things in that one. Then there's a lovely little table here with like glasses and wine. It says this is from us to you. Oh, so there's a bottle of sparkling water, a bottle of still water, and then the wine I think you'd have to pay for. But at least the water's free. Even though the glasses are very, very, very dusty. I'm not sure you'd want to drink wine out of those glasses. Remote control. I'm assuming this is like a menu for downstairs, maybe. Oh, that's the room service menu. And then that's, we hope you enjoy your stay with us, indulging in our royal offering. So a delicious market breakfast with omelette chef. Oh, so you get breakfast here. Maybe it just means they do breakfast. I don't think we get breakfast. Then there's a chair here. Meet that way a little bit, Matilda. Which is meant to be where I think they're going to put Matilda's bed, hopefully, and push something somewhere. A lamp and a picture. And then here there's another plug socket, light switch, main light switch, lamp for reading, little space under there. And then a guest directory. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, so guest relations will bring any of these to your room if you've forgotten it. These things are subject to charge if you remove them. And then this is like services, adapters, additional blankets and pillows, checkout time, concierge service and luggage storage, laundry and ironing service. Oh, they've got a Marco Pierre White Steakhouse. Meetings and conferences, parking, pets are not allowed in the hotel, exception of service dogs. Phone numbers to ring. Oh, they've got a Rena Health and Leisure Spa. And then just talking about how to use a safe, taxes, telephone charges if you use telephone, towels, wake-up calls, Wi-Fi is complimentary, there's no password, and contact details of where we actually are. So it's the Leonardo Royal Hotel. And let's have a look outside. Did we get a view? We'll be able to see the ship in the morning. Oh, is it a balcony? What is this? This window has been restricted for your... Oh gosh, it does. Oh, balcony. Stay there, Matilda. I don't know. It's not really very... Oh, geez, it's a bit... Oh gosh, the door's so heavy as well. Oh God, can you hold the door, Matilda? So it's a step up, but then she's right. It is actually a balcony. This is odd. There's like 2 little chairs here. This is quite nice though. Look at this. Oh yes, there is a few rooms, balconies. No idea why we have a balcony. This is lovely. I'm sitting at, so that's the Holiday Inn just there. Wow, look at that. There's Carnival. Let me zoom in a bit. Can you see? Carnival there. Building. You can see now if we've zoomed in a little bit. And the Holiday Inn is literally right in front of us, across the road. And then there's the water, the ship will be coming in. Gorgeous day. This is a reception area here. So the car parking is just here. This is the car park. So you park here in the car park, give your registration in. So that is a tour of the, what was it called? Leonardo Royal Hotel, Southampton.